All rise. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Supreme Court of Florida is now in session. All we have cause to plead, draw near, give attention, and you shall be heard. God save these United States, great state of Florida, and this honorable court. Ladies and gentlemen, Supreme Court of Florida, please be seated.
Good morning and welcome to this session of the Florida Supreme Court. The first item on today's docket is a judicial reprimand. Judge Bryson. Judge Bryson, you have been summoned before the court today because of your misconduct under the Code of Judicial Conduct. This is a sad occasion for you, for this court, and for the entire state judiciary. The Judicial Code of Conduct requires that judges respect and honor the judicial office as a public trust and directs each of us to strive to enhance and maintain confidence in our legal system. Violations of the code imperil that public trust and confidence. As you are well aware, this is a very serious matter. As judges, we enforce the rules of the law on the litigants who come before us. As rule enforcers, we must be rule followers. We must be vigilant to protect the authority granted the courts by the people. Judge Bryson, your misconduct cannot be undone. However, we have commanded you to appear today for a public reprimand as one way to redress these wrongs. In this forum, we assure the public that we take misconduct by a judge very seriously, and we will not hesitate to punish judges in a most public way. Judge Bryson, you have stipulated to charges against you and in that way publicly acknowledged your misconduct. You also agreed to this public reprimand. Your case arises from events during 2016 to 2019. According to the stipulation you entered with the Judicial Qualifications Commission, you violated 2 canons of the Florida Code of Judicial Conduct, and you did so over a period of years. The Judicial Qualifications Commission found you failed to uphold the standards we all pledged to follow. You violated Canon 3A when you failed to assure your judicial duties took precedence over all of your other activities. You did so when you were absent from the courthouse beyond the permitted days for judicial leave and failed to provide proper notification for some of those absences. You also violated Canon 3B4, which directs patience, dignity, and courtesy to those we interact with as judges. You stipulated 2 specific instances where your actions meant litigants, lawyers, and citizens who arrived on time for proceedings were made to wait on you for an extended period. Such conduct manifests a galling disrespect for all the participants in the proceedings. We note that the Judicial Qualifications Commission reported that your professional behavior has improved since you became aware of its investigation. Further, you have no prior discipline as a judge and no disciplinary history with the Florida Bar. We accepted the stipulation by order entered on November 24, 2021. In our order, we imposed a fine of $37,500 in addition to this reprimand. We further ordered you to be suspended without pay for a period of 10 days. Now, this reprimand, like every reprimand, should serve as a sobering warning to any judge who does not take seriously the obligations imposed by the Code. Judge Bryson, for your violations of the Code of Judicial Conduct, you are hereby publicly reprimanded. Know this, our case law establishes that future misconduct will be viewed far more harshly. We trust that in the future you will faithfully follow the obligations imposed on you by the Code. You are now free to leave.
Thank you.